Thanks for joining us today. Let's dive right in. I'm going to start with screwdrivers. There's two basic kinds of screwdrivers. You have Phillips, and you have your flathead or slotted screwdriver. As you can see, the screwdrivers come in all lengths, diameters, shapes. Up next, wrenches. You got metric wrench, you got SAE wrench. They look a lot alike. They are a lot alike. The biggest way you can tell them apart is to pick it up. Metric will be in whole numbers. SAE will be in fractions. You've got your open end, you got your box end, and if at all possible, you're going to want to use the box end to loosen and tighten nuts and bolts. It will hang on with much more grip. Moving on to the pliers family, we've got slip joint pliers. More commonly, that's what everybody refers to as just pliers. Got your locking pliers, more commonly called vice grips. We got water pump pliers, more commonly called channel locks. Got linesman's pliers, and you got your needle nose pliers. And a more common name for the adjustable wrench is the crescent wrench. Up next, we got the hammer family, my personal favorite. What you're seeing right now is the claw hammer or the carpenter's hammer, rubber mallet, dead blow, ball peen hammer, and the hand jack or hand sledge. Last but not least, we have our hex or Allen wrenches. They come in both SAE and metric, and as you can see, you can find them in a wrench, or they come in a socket form. Similar to the hex or Allen, these are Torx bits. For you IRS Volkswagen owning people, your rear axles are put on with a 12-point hex. You're going to need one of those. If you're changing your transmission fluid, you're going to need a 17-millimeter hex. Like that one there. I want to stress, those are just the basics. I hope it helped you. Junkyard Dog Garage, I'm out.